I'm gonna wait for somebody to come in here. We need people, and people is not something we have, and I am waiting for people. I want people to join. And we do not have people. Oh, we have one people. Okay, well I guess we do have peoples. One peoples. Okay. Alright. The Roblox studio. So, oh. Hi, specific. Okay. If you're joining in on the Shorts live stream right now, go to my other live stream, because I have a full live stream. This one is just to get viewers. So, I'm just using this one to get viewers. So if you're joining this one, go to my other live stream, because that one you can actually see everything. Oh, we have multiple people in here. Yeah, so if you're on the Shorts live stream right now, just go to the normal live stream. Jim Jam said hello. Hello, Jim Jam. Alright. Oh, 15 viewers? Okay. That's fun. that was kind of quick. Where are we at on here? Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, so, specific what? What are you? Okay. So Tyler said hi. At LLEIE said hi. So if you're just joining in on the Shorts live stream right now, go to my full live stream. I said that already, but there's a lot of people joining, so I want to make sure everybody heard it. Go to my full live stream if you're joining the Shorts live stream. Yeah, so we have all the people chatting. There's 16 people in here. Earth is flat. That's pretty cool, Mike. That's pretty cool. So, what we're going to be doing is I'm in Roblox Studio right now. Grow the gardenist garden. Ignore that. So we have templates here, right? So we're gonna open a base plate, and I also have this timer right here, as you can see on your screen. So what we're going to be doing is this timer is going to loop, and every 5 minutes, I'm going to take a suggestion from chat, and then we have to add that to the game. So you guys are going to just be making a Roblox game. So that's going to be pretty cool. Why make Shorts live if you want to get people to the full stream? Because Shorts live streams get a lot of viewers. So I was just using that to get viewers. Alright, so anyways, so we need a suggestion. So we need just an idea for the stream. So what should we add to the game? What should be the first thing we add to the game? Be one of us. Be one of us. Alright, Mike. So, Jim J says, why is Nuggy spamming the live stream link in the chat? add law? Like just laws? Oh, law? Like, oh, law. Like from One Piece, you mean? Alright, I guess we should start the timer. Alright, ready guys? We gotta start the timer. 3, 2, 1, boom. Alright, so our time is officially starting. So, we need to, oh. Wow. Roblox Studio just completely closed. Roblox Studio, can you come back, please? That would be nice. I am currently streaming on you. I would not like you to crash. So that's not fun. Alright, yeah, grow a garden hit 9 mil. That's weird. It's weird because the record used to be 2.8 million, and now it is 9 million. All right. So law. Boom. So that is our game. So we have the timer right here. We still have 4 minutes until the next suggestion. So I am just going to add stuff that I think is good. I don't understand how is my live stream getting so off? Is it slowed down? No, it's normal. Okay, I'm confused. Never mind. It's fine, I guess. All right. So, anyways, let's go back over here, and we have law right here. So, what do we do with law? You might be asking. Well, that I do not know the answer to. Maybe we can make you play as law. Yeah, how about we do that? Let's make it so, you are law. I think this is how you do it. I might have to change some stuff, but, there it is. Okay, so we can't move, and every piece of our body fell off of us. So that's not good. Yeah, that's not the greatest. So, we're gonna have to fix that. Let's go here. Weld, we need a weld. Weld constraint. I don't know what that means. I think that's like the same thing, right? Welding. So we gotta weld this to the rest of the body. I would say just humanoid root part, I guess. And then we need to do the same with cape upper torso. Alright, this is where it gets a little boring, but we gotta wait until the next oh god. Okay, so we have to, here, you know what? Law, nobody cares about your earrings. We're just gonna delete all the earrings and the earring effects. Alright, hair cover left. Alright, hair cover right. And then meshes law hair. Meshes law hair. Boom. And then meshes law hair again. And now I think we should be good. Is any part anchored? We don't want the humanoid root part to be anchored. Perfect. And now you're basically law. So I just gotta move these to the correct spots. What's the timer at? 1:16. So I have a minute to fix this abomination. Alright, so we're gonna grab the fur, move it up. Perfect. Cape upper torso, move that down here. And then hats. We go hair cover left. Don't know what that's supposed to be, honestly. Oh, I see, it's right here. Alright, so, then we have hair cover right. Move it over here. And then meshes law hair. Perfect. Perfection. Alright. So how much time do we have left? 13 seconds. Alright, and you are okay. You are law. Perfect. Okay. So, pause. So you are law now. So that's perfect. Alright, guys, so we need new we need that's not law, that's rule. Well, we need a new suggestion now. So we need another thing to add to the game. I just saw somebody join the short stream, but then they left instantly. Reminder, in case there is anybody in the short stream, join the full live stream because that one's better and you can actually see my screen. Alright, so we need a new suggestion. So if whatever you guys want to add, you can add it. We just need a new thing because it has been the time. Add Doflamingo. All right. I have a feeling I know where this is going. So we're going to add Doflamingo. All right. Ready, guys? We're gonna start the timer again. 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Perfect. All right. Let's add Doflamingo. So I'm thinking you will play as Law, and Doflamingo will be the villain. So, we're gonna get us Doflamingo. Don Quixote Doflamingo. Perfect, okay. And, we're gonna have just a lot of him. So, my idea, sword. So you start with a sword, right? So, put that sword in starter pack. And what we're gonna do is we need fighting NPC. So we need NPC that fights, AI fighting NPC. Perfect. So we're just gonna try this out, see how this works. Oh, it fights. Can I kill it? Oh, I killed it. Can I kill Doflamingo? I can't kill Doflamingo. Alright, so what I'm thinking we're gonna do is we're gonna have a lot of these. Now, we're gonna have this, so I'm gonna move Doflamingo out of the way for now to test out just one-on-one me versus the AI. So, yes, so it can hit us. It has lots of weapons. Okay, so it's just like soloing me right now. Okay, God, leave me alone. Leave me alone! Oh, can't hit me now. Can't hit me now, huh? Ooh! Ah, Imagine dying. Okay. So, that wasted a little time. We're gonna go into the script. So we gotta nerf him. So movement. I'm trying to figure out what to do. What if we did like 4 FPS? I think that would actually give him like a cool look. He's like really choppy. Oh, it doesn't even change anything. He just moves differently. Alright, wait, what if we put him at 1 FPS? Wouldn't that make him move like a lot slower, I'm guessing? Yeah, look at that. So that might be a little too slow, but he's definitely nerfed now. So movement 2, we'll do FPS 2. Alright, perfect. That's not perfect. What am I on about? Alright, I think it has to be at least like 4 for it to run correctly. Maybe 3, try 3. Alright, it keeps doing that same thing. If we go back to 4, is it gonna work again, or is it just gonna do this? Because I'm having a creeping feeling. Maybe 4 is the minimum? Yeah, 4 is the minimum, it seems. So, I guess we just make him do less damage. So movement, deity tools, actually. We want to go deity tools, bomb, nothing there. Oh, there's not scripts. Okay, so I see. So, oh, okay. So movement, it's gonna be in here. Brick cleanup. We don't want brick cleanup. Rocket, perfect. Force radius. Where's the damage? Take damage. Let's do like 20, because that seems to be his main attack, main focus. Alright, and then we'll go slingshot. Slingshot, he can only do it once every 0.4 seconds. And then Super Ball. We're gonna go 0.4 seconds as well. So now he should be easier to kill. So we can bring the FPS back up. So let's just bring that back up to 60. I think it was at 30 originally, but I don't know. Not sure why it was at 30. Nobody uses 30 FPS. Alright, so yeah, he's a little nerfed. I think his sword is still, too powerful. So if we could just take that sword. Yep, damage scripts in here. Take damage, let's say 4. So, gotta pause the timer again. So, I think we have finished him. So we're gonna need to make him still look like Doflamingo, because that was the original prompt. But, we need a new suggestion from you guys first. So, what do you guys want me to add next? Because we're gonna make him look like Doflamingo, but we also need another suggestion first. So, what do you want to add? Birdcage? Like a birdcage, or is that like referencing something? Birdcage. So do you mean just like literally just a cage, or are you like referencing a certain thing from like something? Oh, reference. So, I do not know what that is. Like the attack? I'm gonna have to search that up. Bird cage attack. I cannot find anything. Birdcage is the best permanent death lore based on Attack on Titan. Experience aiming to provide different experience from other traditional Attack on Titan games. How is the birdcage so powerful? Actual answer is because the plot needed birdcage to be tied to defeat of Delphi's, that the stakes for his and Luffy's battle were the highest and exciting they could be. I do not know how to add that. So that's not great. Yeah. So I'm not sure how I would be able to add that. For right now, though, I'm gonna make him into Doflamingo. So, we need just Doflamingo's body. And then we're just gonna slowly start adding things. So pants and shirt. Perfect. And then we gotta give him the same skin color. So humanoid. Humanoid. Alright. Is there like a body colors thing? Where's body colors? Torso. I guess they don't have that on the dummies anymore. I think that's about it. I'll go with that. That seems close enough, and then we're just gonna apply that to every limb. I wanna go here, boom, boom. Thank you. Alright, and then, so, we need a new suggestion, because not really sure how to implement the birdcage one. Alright, boom, boom, boom. Okay. Alright, so I think that's pretty much all we would need to do for this. I think we should have the hair. Glasses, hair, mesh. What's mesh? What is mesh? I guess it doesn't really matter. Add these all to head. and then we can delete Doflamingo. Okay, so, face, delete his old face. And he needs the glasses. Weld that on. So we need to have part 0 glasses, part 1 head. So, not quite right. That's upside down, I believe. Nope, okay. So, hair. And we will just pull the same thing, weld, and we will do part 1 hair, or sorry, part 0 hair, part 1 head. And we're gonna make your hair a normal size. Please and thank you. Can I make your hair a normal size? Am I allowed to do that? Don Quixote do Flamingo? Perfect. Alright, this is terrifying. But it is fine because it's supposed to be terrifying. That's actually a good thing. So, we have our Don Quixote do Flamingo. We're gonna make his glasses just a little bit smaller because that looks just a little bit goofy. Frankly, quite, deranged, if you ask me. And now he looks semi-normal. So, he's gonna be fighting us, so Doflamingo is now fighting us. And I guess his hair and his glasses didn't stay on, but that's kind of what I was expecting. That ain't Doflamingo, search, birdcage. That ain't Doflamingo, that's Dope Penguin. Dope Penguin, yes. Dope Penguin is my bestest friend. Alright, so, what we're going to do now, continue the timer. Continue the timer. Can we not have the ad for things on my screen while I'm trying to cast the timer? That would be nice. Alright, so we're gonna build out the map a little bit. So we need to put the spawn point under here, and we're just gonna have a lot of these guys. They're just gonna be like everywhere. So duplicate, boom. Actually, couldn't I just brush tool them? I think I could. Click to start, and then add deity, and then we're just gonna place him everywhere. Okay, that's maybe a little too many spacing. Okay, that is also a little too many. So we're gonna do that. I think that is perfect. Doflamingos everywhere. Perfection. Yes, the board game perfection. Ugh. Great, great, great. So, forgetting where the spawn was. Right here. Okay. So we're just gonna deselect the spawn, please. Thank you. Delete all. I said why can't I delete them? Uh, I would like my spawn point back though. Here, how about we just lock the spawn point? Where's locked? Locked. Locked. Perfect. And we're just gonna do that. Perfect. Alright, play. And we have possibly too many Doflamingos, judging by the sounds my computer is making. Can you post this game after you're done? Yes, I will. Oh god. Oh, okay. So, it does not appear that any of them are chasing me. But it is quite concerning that almost none of them are loading. Do I have my graphics up? 240 FPS. Please. Graphics quality. Not automatic. Manual. Okay. So they're all fighting each other. Not what I anticipated at all. I guess it is like a war now. So, Doflamingo war. Not what we wanted, but it is what we needed. So, I can just go up and bop them. They're both dead. Alright, I'll just bop this guy. He's dead too. Your grandma, right here, dead. All 4 of them. Yep, they're all dead. Alright, this one, also dead. I can just tap them and they all die. Look at that. His rocket launcher's still floating in place. It's almost as if he were still alive. But he isn't. That's why it's almost as if he were. Because he isn't still alive. Because I killed him. All of them are gonna die. Bop, bop, bop. Okay, so we're just absolutely wiping out all the Doflamingos. There's lots of dead bodies on the ground now. And what do we do about those dead bodies? Well, I'm thinking once they die, you can sell them. And you can sell their dead bodies. And then with the money, you can buy weapons. I think that would be pretty cool. So, what we're gonna do next, figure out a way to make it so you can sell their dead bodies, right? And then after that, make the shop for the weapons so you can kill them. So 1 bald law versus 100 Doflamingos. Yep, that's literally exactly what this is. Alright, that is the third lap. So, I'm gonna go ahead and just get ChatGPT to write me a script for this. So, can you write me a script that enables the proximity prompt inside of a torso once the entity is dead in Roblox? Bop. Okay, so we have this. Sure, below is a simple Roblox Lua script. So almost no chance that this works because ChatGPT fails like 70% of the time at scripting. But if it does, that'll be really good for us. So, let's copy this script. And where does it tell me to place it? Place it inside where does it put the script inside the NPC model? Okay, so just in it. We're gonna have one that's like right in the middle, because that will indicate to me, hey, this is the one you need to kill. Because we're not gonna put this script in every single one of them until we know that it works. So, script, place. Now we need our proximity prompt. So, if prompt and torso enabled, what does the prompt have to be called? Just proximity prompt. So find first child of class. So that means we need to go torso proximity prompt. And we're going to turn off enabled. And this is the one that I was using, right? Yep. Okay, so now what we need to do is we just need to kill it. So we gotta wait until this lets us load in. Probably going to take a while because there are a lot of them. Alright, that didn't take as long as I thought it would. So, no, owie. No proximity prompt yet. I just took all his weapons. Kill him. No proximity prompt. So I absolutely knew it. Yeah. Okay. Output. Output. Head is affected by force. Not exactly what we want. Are there any errors? I just remembered you can search by errors. How do you do that? Filter. System. Log. Okay, not exactly what we wanted. Configuration. Alright, we're just gonna scroll through all of this. Looks like it was sending one like every few milliseconds. So not the most optimized. But we're gonna go into the script manually, see if we can find what's wrong. So, local NPC, script.parent, the NPC model. So, literally just the script's parent, NPC model. Perfect. Local humanoid, NPC, find first child of class, humanoid. It does have a humanoid. So, torso, NPC, find first child, torso, or upper torso for R15 compatibility. Local prompt, torso and torso, find first child of class, proximity prompt. So, we have the proximity prompt inside of the torso. If humanoid and prompt, then prompt.enabled equals false. Make sure it's off at the start. So, don't think this is what's causing it, but we could have it enabled and it would still disable it. Humanoid.died equal or colon connection function. Wait a bit to ensure the body parts are still there. Not exactly what we want. So I'm just gonna say change this script so that it's not when the NPC dies, but when the NPC hits 0 health. So I think that would be a little more, it would work a little better. So, perfect. Copy. It basically just told me those are the same thing, idiot, but whatever you say. So I might not be the smartest, but that's fine. Add other characters and give each of them different bounties, sell prices, and make the weapons different fruits. Read chat. Alright. So the weapons, I'll see if I can make those different fruits. I will add different characters and give them different bounties. That would be pretty cool. So, got this guy here. Kill him. And the proximity prompt comes up. What did I tell you, ChatGPT? I am right. You are wrong. I am the better of us because I'm a human. So it worked. So what we're going to do now is we're going to customize this proximity prompt a little bit. So we need to go here. So we're just going to move brush tool over here. Don't know why it was under here in the first place. But max activation, we don't need any of that. What we're going to do, make it like sell 1.3 seconds. We're going to do sell, let's say $20 for Don Quixote de Flamingo. And we're going to do, where is it, object text, do Flamingo. Perfect. So, this is absolutely beautiful so far. What are we at on stream time? 35 minutes, 56 seconds. That is perfect. Alright, so, now we have the proximity prompt here. What we're going to do, is we're just gonna actually add the money still, or the money. We're gonna add the money. So, leader stats. We need just a simple leader stats script. I should be able to script this myself at this point, but I'm not. I'm just terrible at scripting. I should have been able to script this at this point. So money, and then we're just gonna duplicate that in place of cash. Perfect. Alright, and then we're gonna put this inside of server script service. And I'm thinking we're just gonna delete a lot of these because it's lagging the game a lot. And they are all just fighting each other. It's flat out war, so don't really exactly want that. I think it's lagging so much that it just can't delete all of them at the... Well, that did happen. I'm sorry, guys. Roblox Studio crashed again. So, we're going to want to save the game this time because I don't want to lose any more progress. Thankfully, that does not lose us all our progress because we have this beautiful thing, auto recovery. So, right here, 5:26, perfect. So, it was 8:12 a.m., so we did lose a little bit of progress. Alright, but we have, we still have the proximity prompt working, I would guess. So we're just gonna check that out. First, actually, I'm going to save the game and then delete a lot of the Doflamingos because that's taking up a lot of extra space in the game. So what we're gonna do now, test to make sure the kill still works. Why? He says why? Okay, but the proximity prompt does not work. So we are going to need to actually make that work again. So what we're gonna do, torso, proximity prompt. That's not what we want. Script. Huh. So that is what we already had in here, but it stopped working. Quite peculiar. How peculiar. So might we kill this Doflamingo here? And the proximity prompt once again does not come up. So, what we're gonna do about that? I have no idea. I was asserting my dominance over ChatGPT, and I failed to recognize the workingness of it. Oh, it still died. Connect. Wait, what? No, that's not. We didn't want you. We want you. Okay. So that is actually the script we wanted. We didn't want died connect. We want health 0 because died connect is actually when it dies, and after it dies, I'm guessing it can't run scripts. So we need health 0. So then it actually turns on the proximity prompt. Alright, so the proximity prompt showed up for a second there. So there it is. Yes, so that is perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually fix up that proximity prompt a little bit, but not before we save the game. Kill people for money. Okay, I don't think Roblox is going to like that title. One Piece Fighting Simulator. Here, actually, it's a little basic. Fight the One Piece. Fight the One Piece. I love that title. Alright, we're gonna make this playable on console and VR. because who doesn't want to play this beautiful game in VR? I will not be adding VR compatibility, so you can join it. You'll just be stuck there as you watch all the Doflamingos kill each other. So that's gonna be great. But my mouth is getting dry. It's been so long since I've talked this long. Dead Rogue's video is out. You guys gotta watch that. I'm trying to plug my video just to get views. I guess that's the point of the video. To yeah, you know what? I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. It's not like anybody's watching to actually matter though. Oh, never mind. Hi, Cosmo, Roblox. Cosmo Roblox. Hi, SpongeBob House. All right. So, it has actually been a while since we've gotten a suggestion. So I will be adding that SpongeBob house once we get back into the game. So, thank you for that. So we're gonna add the SpongeBob house once we get back in, and to get you updated, we're making a game. So, Doflamingo, you kill him with your sword. When you kill him, you can sell his dead body. You get money for that, and then you can buy weapons with money to kill him even cooler. So we haven't actually made the buying weapons part or the selling part, but we are getting there right now, and we have like 20 minutes. So at this point, I'm gonna forget about the timer, and I'm just gonna let you guys tell me things, and I will add them. Maybe not all of them if we get enough suggestions, but there's like 3 people in this chat, so don't have to worry about overflow, I think. Alright, so I think Cosmo Roblox left. So that's not good. Goodbye Cosmo. Goodbye Cosmo Roblox. Security, we're gonna go API services, and we need a data store. I remember there's one that works really well that I always use. Data store save leader stats, I think it is. Data store leaderboard save, I think it is. Yep, this is the one. That one works. This works perfectly. So shout out to Viseku, I guess. So that one always works for me. But what we're going to be doing now is actually making it sell. So we have the money system now, so you can actually have money. So that is nice. But there's no way to get money right now. So we're gonna customize this proximity prompt. So we're gonna go in here, sell $20. And then what we're going to do is we're gonna come down here as well, and Doflamingo body. So that's gonna be his dead body that you can then sell for $20. I'm glad that his dead body's being sold for $20. But what we're going to do now is we're gonna clean this up a little bit. So delete all these, all these, all these, all these, all these, all of these too, those, and those, and a little bit of those too, and these, and we'll just get like another 10 over there. Alright, so now it's not an all-out war. This is just like barrage. So we have all our Dofies around here. So now we're gonna get this proximity prompt working so you can actually get money. So what are we at in the live stream now? 46 minutes. So 14 minutes, guys, to get this working. I forgot to say that, but we have to publish it at 1 hour, and then you guys will be able to play it. So write a script that makes it so when you interact with the prompt, it gives you 20 money on your leader stats and then deletes the NPC body. And then deletes the NPC, we'll just say. Here's a script that gives the player 20 money in their leader stats when they interact with a proximity prompt and then deletes the NPC. Alright, perfect. So the script is inside the NPC model. No, we want the script inside the proximity prompt. Prompt torso and torso find first child of class. I guess that also works. So we need to copy this. You said script.parent NPC, so we're just gonna go straight in here, straight into the roots script. Boom. Alright, so now we have our whoa, wowie. Okay, that was a little loud, mister. And we have our sword here. This guy is actually fighting now. We killed him. Can we sell his dead body? Are we able to sell your dead body, mister? Do you still let us sell your dead body? I can't sell you anymore? Alright, just to test it, we are going to have this enabled all of the time. A little bit of everything all of the time. So we're just gonna copy this part because we're gonna have to add it back later. But for right now, we're just going to keep that there. So proximity prompt should be on him. Don't know why that isn't working. So we're gonna take it even a step further. Copy this proximity prompt and just paste it into there. Perfect. So now we should have the part that we can just do the proximity prompt off of. Sell it, 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 sell it. What is our leader stats? Oh, we don't have leader stats. Oh, because it was made after. Oh, okay. It was made after the crash, or before the crash. After it's saved for the crash. So, we need to bring our money back. Bring the money back. Ba da 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 da. Okay. Boom. Boom. Alright. Now go over to the part. Grab this. And it does not work. Guys. Oh. Wait. What was I thinking? We don't have a script in here. Why did you think it was going to work, mister? You don't have a script. Bartle nuggets. Okay. So NPC equals script.parent. NPC find first child. So we need to just skip this straight to proximity prompt. Perfect. And then we're just gonna change this to the prompt. Prompt then triggered. Connect function player. Local leader stats. Player find first child. Money leader stats. Money value print. NPC destroy. Perfect. Okay, so it should be working now. I think I got it working. Can it stop making that sound every time I open the game? It's so loud. I'm going on a rampage. I'm gonna... I saw the proximity prompt for a second there. Wait. 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 Okay. Okay. Guys. Guys. We might have a breakthrough here. Come back. I don't deserve to talk anymore. We might want to put this in a different place, like a more prominent place, like the head or the humanoid root part. So we're just gonna try putting it on the head, and if that doesn't work, the humanoid root part. So, script. Perfect. That's fine. We don't want that. It's because I changed the one for the... What does the script and part have? It has torso. Ah! Well, at least that means we know what the source of our problem was. Now. So, let's go back here, here. And we're just gonna replace this. Prompt, head, case sensitive, thanks Lua, or upper torso. He does not have an upper torso, however, so that should not affect us. Skip all of that. And now that we got this working, we can delete the part, and it should just let us sell him. So, we're gonna brutally murder you, Doflamingo, and then we're going to... Oh, we don't even have to kill him. Guys, it works. It works. And we have 5 minutes. Okay. Gotta rush this. Alright, Anim, we don't need any of this. Gonna make it so now it, once again, it just, it takes the enabled. Where's the enabled? Prompt, boom. Proximity prompt enabled true. We need the proximity prompt disabled true back. So we're going to find the proximity prompt.enabled equals false. We want that. So if humanoid and prompt enabled equals false. So it's all in the head now. So boom, find first child, head, case sensitive, Lua, thank you. Torso. Okay. So perfection. The board game. So we're going to want to kill him because he's not going to let us have his dead body to sell unless we murder him first. And his head is in the ground. Humanoid root part. Okay. It is all going to be in the humanoid root part. Okay. Humanoid root part. Please. Alright, so we're gonna go through here. Humanoid root part, it should be all fixed there. Head. We don't want head, we want humanoid root part. Don't clip that. Alright. Play again. And it should work this time. It should. Okay. Please. So, I can murder Doflamingo. Sell his body. Sell... Did his body just jump? So... What I believe is happening here is we just need to sell the... What was wrong? It's health 0 again. Why? Oh, it is. It's supposed to be health 0. Okay. Okay. Okay, NPC destroy. Print proximity promptu ina baradu. Guys, I'm lost. I do not know what to do now because this is not working. Function health enabled output. Output's not going to be help because it's filled with... Oh, left arm is affected by force. Right arm is affected by force. Shut up. I don't care if the left arm is affected by force. I already knew the left arm had gravity. Is that an error? Nope, okay, that's just a different thing. Left arm, right arm, torso, bubble is affected by force. Oh my god. Right arm is affected by force. Right arm is affected by force. Guys, I think the right arm is affected by force. Attempted to index nil with torso. What? Workspace.deity.random torso 2. Oh, random torso. So that's a scripting error on the person who made the NPC's end. So not my fault. That's just fine and dandy. Oh. Failed to load sound ID. It's gonna make me face it back like that, like that. That's life. Guys, people, every single viewer that is in the chat right now, which is probably like 1 or 2, there is no visible error. None. So that's just fine and dandy. And we just hit an hour. So that's just great. So that means we have to upload the game like how it is right now. So if you want to play this game, it will be public on my profile. So you can go play this. If for some reason you want to, but yeah, that's just fine and dandy. Oh, I forgot to add the SpongeBob house. I'm so sorry. No, I would not like to discard all changes. Make it public. Adding the SpongeBob house. That says SpongeBobbin. SpongeBob house. That says SpongeBob. SpongeBob house. That says... I'm not on point, guys. SpongeBob's house. His house. Perfect. And we'll just add SpongeBob himself for extra effect, too. God is God. It's God is baby. Ooh, SpongeBob Killer. You can kill SpongeBob too. SpongeBob Killer. Alright, we're just gonna move him back here. We'll just have one SpongeBob over there. And SpongeBob Sky. all of the SpongeBob. This is beautiful, and we're just gonna save this game so you guys can all play this. Yes, SpongeBob himself and SpongeBob Sky. You are correct. Godly realness is all of the SpongeBob. So that is our beautiful game. I hope you guys enjoyed that beautiful game. I also forgot, we made, the starter character law. God, output's going insane. Jeff the Killer, main index. There's a gun over my shoulder right now. Die. Alright, well, that is it. Go watch the Dead Rails video. Bye, guys.